Okay, be gracious with people and ruthless with time. Instead of directly giving the title as time management, I thought this would be more apt title. Most of the times we are ruthless with people and gracious with time. Majority of us. So probably actually we should be supposed to be the other way. Train counts is my organization. Okay, maybe one or two Tamil words will be there. Please bear with me. But the entire session will be in English. I see in the participant's name. Hardly I may use 2 or 1% in Tamil. Life is a single time opportunity. See, when we talk about visa, we talk about multi visa, multi entry and all, particularly when you go to USA and all. But the life is not like that. It's a single time visa. There is no second entry. So within that time, we should be able to deliver a better product and we should add value to our existence in the world. Now, when people used to say, okay, what is that? So much qualification, this and that and all. What is that greatly is going to take? Everything has to leave in the world and go. But actually, it is the other way. It is not that what we are going to take when we die. It is still what is that we have done, what we have left with it. Tomorrow our children should not say, no, 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 my father has not just passed away. He has left almost 10 crore loans and then only debt and then only he left like that. You should not say. That would be more ridiculous. You should say whatever the field he has done, whether it is a teaching or a sharing or a consultant or a audit or a production or a planning or quality control, anything, he has been a benchmark or a role model. He became a legend in that. That kind of feeling or impression that we should be able to leave when we leave the world. So because particularly there is no second time, that's why we should be very cautious in our handling the time, even not even the relationship, all those things. Let people call you as a time nut, no issues. Same group will praise you one day when you are really a legend. Why do we need to manage time? We are very busy, or at least we act as that we are busy. We know time and fixed asset. That because people sometimes will feel where is the question of management? It's not a finance. You can increase it and decrease it. You can do a balance sheet of fund flow and profit and loss. You can do a resource optimization. But it's a fixed asset. Whether you manage or not, 24 hours will pass off. Because the question is it's not a variable. Obviously, we have to manage it well. Being busy does not mean we are efficient and effective. In IATF and all nowadays they say, even ISO 9000 letters are said, we say effective and efficient. It's measured based on the achievements or outcome of the efforts. It does not matter how much you put effort. How people are measured. People are measured that by delivery, not by their act. At the end of the day, what you are supposed to deliver, have you delivered it in a better fashion? To be efficient, we need to manage our times. There is no other shortcuts. Winners do not do different things, they do things differently. This is a Shivakara statement. But we should find out the unique way. What is the way that we can do it differently? The successful people, the legends, maybe let it be a Tata, let it be Anna Teresa, let it be anybody, how they have managed their times. We should be able to cultivate the habit of reading couple of these books or clippings or maybe some biography or autobiography and then take a input out it. Measured outcome of each task we carry out need not be day-to-day score at a whole. We have to review it. It's a good habit before going to bed. At least we should say, have I done something useful today? At least 5 or 10 minutes to do a self-introspection kind of things, so that it will improve upon your time handling managing in the future days. Sometimes we spend too much time for a task which require less time. So probably there are tasks we can even neglect it or we can leave it. We should cultivate the habit of identifying the priorities and then do the task, because otherwise it will give the impression we are very much occupied. At the end of the day, it does not yield any great result. How to spend time optimally. These are things we are going to cover. What is the time management? It's a combination of processes, tools, and techniques, or you can even say systems. systems, processes, tools and techniques, how we are using and managing our time when accomplishing a specific task or project or goal. But another thing, most of the people, why they don't manage time at all, they don't have a goal at all. First, is the goal setting is not necessarily only for the organization or company or industry. It can be for an individual. Let us say I'm an assistant manager today. Next 3 to 5 years, what I want to become. You should be able to write it down in a paper. See, the power of writing in a paper, people say scientifically, the entire feeling transferred through the tip of your fingers and then travel through your body and go to your subconscious. I don't say it goes to your brain. Subconscious is a very powerful. Then you should have a small planning at least. Actually, broadly, I will say you should kind of two kind of goals. One is a personal goal, another is a official goal. Official goal can be a career oriented, personal can be family oriented. That goals we should be able to prioritize and then visualize every 3 months or at least once a month. You should say every 3 months there should be a strict review. If these kind of things are there, then only time management will come in the blood. How can you allocate the time? What are things I can delegate to people? See, if you are a good leader at family, automatically you become a good leader in the industry or organization or the sector, not the vice versa. We all practice 5 years, 3C and all in companies. But how many of you do at home? It's a big question mark. People don't even have a fixed place for leaving their car key or scooter key. Next day morning in urgent scenario, they go on start up a fight with their counterparts. But at the same time, when we do all these things, we should also monitor and analyze where are our time goes. Sometimes it may go on entertainment. Of course, I do not say entertainment just because I'm 63. I do not say entertainment is not needed. It is needed. It's a part of life. But life itself should not become entertainment. Either it's a video game or goes on seeing Facebook. Nowadays, the social media, it's becoming a waste of time. To limited extent, you can see, I'm not denying it, but not in all the forums. I'm in Twitter, I'm in Facebook, I'm in WhatsApp, I'm in LinkedIn, I'm in everything. But actually, LinkedIn I appreciate because it's a professional forum. WhatsApp maybe a little bit, but not every videos, every message it comes, you not necessarily we have to see it. Because in the process, what happens? I'm not discouraging that. You appear to be too busy. But if you really see, when the year passes, somewhere between 25 to 35 or 40, it's a prime age for a person, whether male or female. With that period, you should slog at anything. I recollect my early days when I was 21, just got married in the early age. I leave my bicycle only those days, which is such a poverty. I live at home and then run to station. After coming from office, immediately travel up to Perambur, do AMIE, again return by time. Just because I put all these efforts at the appropriate ages, today I'm enjoying the fruit. I don't go and ask a consultancy. People who are come to me are refer by word of mouth only I do it. Because that kind of accomplishment or the comfort zone we created, either in the family responsibilities over, we have the, I don't say abundant wealth, but the wealth is adequate enough to take care of it. But Rome is not built in a day. That kind of slogging has to happen. I started my career with a diploma, then I've done my AMIE, then I've done my ME, then I've done my MBA. All these things I have done after joining the job, after getting married. Only diploma I'm proud to say I'm a diploma holder. Some people hesitate to, on offline program and all, they hesitate to say they are ITA or diploma. There is nothing, qualification, no hesitance at all. If you just die with the basic qualification, then it is a ridiculous. Then it is shame. At least put some kind of efforts to build your academic and soft skills over a period of time. This and all should be sorted out in your goal settings. Time is money, very, very simple. Whatever name you call it as. These all you can say Duddu or Paisa, whatever name you can say. Time is money, that's all. It depends. You want to convert your time into Indian rupee or US dollar or UK pound. That you have to decide because each has a different. This is around 70 rupees, that is around 82 rupees, maybe Singapore, maybe 25, 30 rupees. You have to decide what is the conversion ratio you want to follow. That conversion ratio does not come just like that. It has to come, you are building your ability, building your skills, your soft skills, your team building skills, your leadership skill, your communication skill, your presentation skill, your helping people skill. your own technical core area skills. These are all a combination of all. Overall, go on, acquire these things. One fine day, you yourself become legend for others. Distribution. How can we distribute the time? Basically, we need time for three major distributions. See, basically, we want for planning. Thittamiduthal. See, the great Rajaraja Chola, even though he constructed such a big, gigantic temple, the history says he has took more than 2 to 4 years for planning alone. Those days, there is no PPC tools. There is no ERP. There is no software. See, now the present era, even in this era, if somebody is not performing, you can't do anything. I don't think even God can save him. Because that kind of technology, creation, innovation, utilities are there in front of us. You don't require a guru for everything. What I say, I respect the gurus. Those days, you have to depend on the gurus. If gurus share the knowledge, only it comes. I'm an amateur magician. I have done magic for a long time and then I drop it. In the magic, some tricks have gone only in paper. It is in books, not in reality. Because the Indian rope trick, famous Indian rope trick is not existence. Because the original magicians have not shared. Okay, some people are doing. Mangalore, I think Srinivas or somebody. They are all doing it. There are so many tricks have died along with the magicians. So they spend a lot of time for the planning. See, they are all called, if you are only a planner, you are called a dreamer. I have written a book in Tamil, Dream Realization, Kanavu Meipada Vendum. Because I have interaction with Dr. Abdul Kalam 7 or 8 times. He was the supreme authority for our department. After that interaction and the impressions had on him made me to write the book. Unfortunately, the English version I have not done it. I attempted, somehow it's not happening. Now come to the doing. If people go on plan, they don't review their plan, they don't see where they are. See, that time management is not just managing time. It is linking your time to your goal, your aspirations, your intentions, your desires, all those things to be connected to your goal. Then only the time management is useful. If go on do it, some people do the other way. They go on do. They are workaholic. They are not alcoholic, but they are workaholic. See, such people are called donkeys. You should not go on do it without reviewing it. You are preparing for exam. You should take a couple of paper and see how my preparation match with the papers. Or you are doing some drawing, or you are doing some programming, or you are preparing for a training. You should be able to see the videos and audios of the people, how the legends are doing it. Then the very, very important is we spend most of our time in interaction either in the office or factory, whatever. You should be, there are high stalwarts are there, but unfortunately they are very poor team players. I have seen my own experience. I'm not disqualifying the institutions. The RAC guy, those days called RAC. Okay, now it's called NIIT or something. Guys, they're not that prosper. At the same time, the average engineering guy is prospering great, but it does not say I'm talking bad about such institution. Institution has a regards. I'm not denying it. IITs, IIMs, and RAC, they are all having high regards. But exceptions, what I'm trying to say, if they are not a good team player, they are not a good team leader, they are not able to take the team along with you. The basic thing between the team is, the team should have a belief that leader will take me to the victory post. The leader should have the belief, under my direction and guidance, the team will sail along with me to the victory post. The mutual kind of confidence and belief must be built, and that should be there for the team play. Otherwise, the team fails it. So actually, we should have a distribution of time depending upon the project, where to more, where to less. But at the same, all the three are required for the mankind. Then only probably you will be able to achieve your goals. Okay, the very best tool for time management is 80-20 rule. Okay, I'm not covering entire thing because in 45 minutes it's a one-day program. I've done one-day program and all on this. Recently I done for somebody else for 1.5 hours. For you it is 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Let me see how best we can give. The 80-20 rule, very, very important. There are 10 activities before me. Not necessarily all the time I should do. There are some activities, vital activities, which will give 80% result. What I'm trying to say, the 20% of activities, the result will be the major pie diagram of your overall activities. You should choose such things and then do it. For an example, 80% of sale may come from 20% of your customer. You should concentrate it. Similarly, 80% of your telephone calls may come from 20% of your callers. So you should see it. First you write down all your activity. Then you do a prioritization. At that time you say, what are the vital activities I should do, which will go and help my goal to move to the next level. either a personal goal or official goal. For example, house construction, or saving money for daughter marriage, or son's education, whatever it is, which are vital. There is no point in doing after 20-25 years for them, because by the time they become grown up, your result is waste. You do your insurance policy or have a saving attitude, you go and invest in stocks and shares, mutual funds. Do some kind of, people say 30%, 25 to 30% you should save, remaining only you should go for spending. Actually, most of us do the other way. Nowadays, some people are doing it. Okay, your question may come, sir, first of all, you should have adequate pay to do all those things. Don't think that your predecessors, people like me, are just born with golden spoon. I have started with a career with 350 rupees. Okay. See, when you talk about to-do list, better to do a 80-20 rule. For that, you should know to-do list. It's a good practice. Nowadays, a wonder list is there. Nowadays, I started doing in my cell itself. Because earlier and all, even your program, I put it in 10 minutes advance, it will give a reminder to me. You started, even a personal or official, you best go on, list it down. For the next day, you should do before going to bed, what are the activities are on priority. Along with the timing. See, today I'm attending 3 conferences, either attending or taking. So just to do it, then only you'll prepare. Otherwise, you do a crisis management. Small things you write. Even vegetables or milk, small things, your domestic things, not the big goals only. To-do list is a last agenda. But unfortunately, that is going to be the foundation for your entire achievement. If the list is too big, better to have a small pocket notebook. One for official, one for personal. And then unless you have a to-do list and have this one, you do not know the prioritization. But again, don't get disappointed. Let us say you have 20 to-do list. Yes, but all the 20 did not be done same day. There are people, those days and all people used to have a small cinema notice, this, that and all. It's a very good culture. I encourage the participant to have the cultivate the habit of doing to-do list. Nowadays, just to note down in your day, to go to the calendar, in the date itself, write down the activity and time. But please fix the time. Okay, sometimes even for me, it does not yield. It will not do it because of the various reasons. Maybe by age, I may try to relax it, or I may get attracted in some old movie, or some dust will come. These are all the part of the game. I can't say my dust, no, I have a to-do list fully occupied, don't come to my house. But how much time I am spending? See, for example, I was just in a call with a very managing director of a company. I just told, please, pardon me, sir, I have to get into 9:50 for a program. Try to learn to say no. There's a famous book, when you want to say no, don't say yes. Life, there are occasions we have to say no. See, at compromising your goal, you should not just go and help people. Otherwise, your goal, people famous, the speaker Gopinath, not Mia Nana, LAC Gopinath used to say, if you do not have agenda, people will have their own agenda on you. So at least for that sake, you should have agendas. Office, personal, self-development. It is purely personal, family related, wife, children, parents, all those things. Other one is purely official. Official says you may have to read something. You just joined a company. Maybe, and that company is asked you to take new product development. You are not exposed to APQP, PCAP, FMA, MSA, SPC and all. Then probably you have to learn online. You can't expect the company will do the training. You end up in argument with your boss. No, I don't know the subject. Then you say, you are not told all these things in the interview. Self-ignition. Don't be a compression ignition. Don't be a diesel engine. Be a petrol engine. Petrol engine does a self-ignition. It does not wait for the air compressor. Similarly, for your own development, because you may have some ambition, you want to become quality. Today you may be in production, but somehow you have a passion for quality. But actually, if I ask me, then it should be a combination of all. We are not Peter Druckers or Demi. Neither we are big management guy, or nor we are Ajra Chaudhary or production technology person, and nor we are a Deming or Ishikawa or somebody. We are just learning in every day, in every walk of life. So try to acquire. I caution the younger generation, future world, there may not be a general manager quality. I'm not talking bad about quality. Quality is not ordered, it is built in the product. Quality is never an accident, it always the result of intelligent effort. So try to do a to-do list, then probably you try to make it, you will be able to tie up with your goal. Now urgent versus important. Because of the time I am going a little fast, please bear with me. See the urgent, negative urgent, positive important, negative important. The activity is urgent as well as important. For example, daughter marriage. It should be conducted between 21 to 25. For various reasons, or her own reason, you are lethargy, then you are getting into crisis area. You are in the firefighting mode. Tomorrow is the audit. I have seen people collecting customer satisfaction survey. Yesterday only I gave a delivery on customer satisfaction survey. Just 3 days before, 4 days before, they are selling, so customer not given, sir, we already sent you to. Why you are sending just 10 days before the audit? 1 year is there. We are doing once in a year. Why don't you send 1 or 2 months before? Or you can even distribute and send. Coming to the other way, it is neither important nor urgent. Such activity, we go on spend and waste of time. Okay, for reading a fiction or novels or something, also it's a life. Good, I'm not telling it. But what is your goal? Where you want to do? At leisure time, in a travel time, or waiting for somebody, if anywhere you can read it. But there are activities which has to be done at a crisis. Put it other way, quick like a deer. It will be just a sense like anything. It is have your self-image. If you are not quick enough in this, your image brand will go, and you will be the beck and call of others. This is this quantum. It's urgent, but it's not important. The other one is a planning area. It is important, but not urgent. Since it is important, you can do your planning. So your resource can be optimized, or you can plan for your resource itself. These are the 4 important quadrants of time management. So don't get into the crisis area. It is a lot of tension, lot of pressure, health problem. After party, you get into so many issues. People say tension is directly related to the spinal cord. Even I have a L4, L5 issue. I don't know, because I'm not a good sportsman or exercise guy. That may be because of that. I don't walk also much. Other way also, ensure that you are not wasting much of your time. It does not mean you are not spending time with family or children. I'm not trying to say. Family, children, relation, friend circle, these are all the bondage for your family. That is required for your life. At the same time, to what extent we have to decide. Which crucial juncture we are there. Can we spend this kind of time? Now, the next aspect is called prime time. The first aspect I told 80-20, very, very important. That start with to-do list. I do a small recap. From the to-do list, you prioritize it. Which 20 activities will give you 80% result, that you are executing it. For execution, you should learn the 4 squares, crisis square, waste square, plan square, etc. You should see, you try to plot the activities in those square, and you should see crisis you should attack first. At the same time, you should not spend waste of much time in the waste square. Now coming to the prime time. There is no fixed prime time in any of the time management books. What is prime time? Let us see the definition. Best time in the day to concentrate on important and value-added activities. So one of my friends used to say, sir, how is your preparation? Those days AMA, I'm recollecting so many years back. No, sir, whenever I start to opening the book, my child is coming, daddy, like that, crying, and he is just addressing me and coming. Every child will address his father as daddy only, not as mummy. See, it is an excuse that you are not reading, that's all. You get your children or wife and tell, I am going to concentrate, please do not disturb me for next 45 minutes. I don't think 45 minutes they can spend without you, because 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, including travel time, they are spending without you. It is not you are clear with you are not transparent and clear to your counterpart. See, the prime time is the one where your energy is at your peak and your mind is creative. Please be cautious. Very, very important slide we are discussing. The entire time management is only this slide is very, very important. Your energy is at your peak. It is scientifically proven, and your mind is creative. Such a time you should not waste in reading newspaper, seeing WhatsApp, seeing Facebook, listening some audio songs. No, unless you are a musician. Let us say you are Amrud, then probably he can send, because that is your bread and butter. Okay, how to identify your prime time? That is very important. There is no formula in this. Let me just tell you. My prime time is night 10 to midnight 12. This I have found out by experience. You also should find out, but don't copy it. Because I have selected, or by experience I seen, most of the disturbances go, TV is off, even wife go to bed, children are asleep, and you can constantly focus unless you have a very big house. We are all living 2 or 3 bedrooms house. Even in a TV on in the hall, and now I close the door and talk. Except a fan sound, you will not hear anything. We are distracted. We are less common people. We can easily get distracted. We are not Vishwamitra and Vashishta who can concentrate 110%. So find out by trial and error your prime time. For some people, it may be 5 to 7. Of course, we are all goes to office by 6:30 or 7. I'm talking about working people. It may be feasible, may not be, because you have to get up and then finish morning duties and then go to office. Okay, I agree, that is not work for you. You come home by 7:30 at the maximum. Unless there are exceptional cases, you may come late. But regularly 7:30 you are at home. Finish your dinner, probably 8:30 to 10 you can have your prime time. It all depends. You have to compromise something and do something. I recollect, I was repeating, no, all the studies I have done as a family guy, that too in poverty, after I got married. So I just recollect my life. How could I able to do? See, in Ramayana, she says, Sisayallam Tirumbi Parthal Prabhu Yandan Ramani, Meera Bhajan, Meera says, wherever direction, in 360 degrees I see, I could be able to see only my great Rama. I'm not talking religion here, I'm just telling. The Aristotle says, what you see is what you are. Yadaini Kangirayo, Aduvahini Agirayo. You have a belief. Don't just neglect. These are all some elders, idiots have told. Lot of elders people. I'm not elder. There are much elders in the field or in the history. They have told. The great Aristotle, the great Chanakya. They are all told. Okay, so come to the prime time. You try by trial and error. Normally it can be from morning 4 to 6. And if you are going obviously late goer or work from home, then may be different. Or evening you can take 8 to 10 or even 10 to 11. Prime time need not be 2 hours also. It can be even 1 hour or 45 minutes. During that time, identify your vital assignment which is pending for long. I want to prepare for ME entrance. This is I'm go on telling 8 years. 8 years has passed. You please do that. I want to do GRE or TOEFL. No, I want to learn TPM. Nowadays, just the internet and a small laptop or computer will do to learn the subject 70 to 80%. The 10 or 15% intricacies only should be taught by a group. For that, you have association with your own field. CCC forum is doing excellent job. There is some NIQR forum, PCFI forum, Lugidog forum. Different forums are doing during these days. Otherwise, it's a tough assignment. We have crossed some 26 lectures. Even that yesterday I was addressing 22nd, this one somewhere. So please be, I'm not advising, I'm collaborating with you. What are we doing in prime time? This is what we are doing. Is video visible? Can anyone answer? Is it mute for everybody? Is video visible? This is what we are doing. We are going disturbing others. Just to hold on. Because I have to get a feeling from you. Let me ask that girl. I'll take 1 minute. Because video visible ama video adha kekra yarum answer kodukala. Okay, thank you.
Yes sir, visible, very clear.
Thank you. Visible. Thank you. See, this is what we are doing. Either we go and chat with somebody, unnecessary things. I'm not telling you don't chat, but have a limitation, have a boundary. Are spending some time, which is nowhere related to our goal. These are all will change over age, I agree, but the younger generations are fast. This one is younger generation, they are in the integration symbol 0 to infinity. What I'm trying to say, the mechanical engineer can appreciate it better. They are either in the clearance fit or interference fit. They are not in between. They are not slide fit, push fit, force fit, shrink fit. No. Either they are clearance or they are interference. 0 or infinity. That is what my experience on the younger generation, what I've seen. Either they are performing super duper or they are not totally bad. Sorry to say the second statement. Okay, utilize time. I fully agree. What is this, sir, you are talking? You are cross 63. We are all
sir, sorry, the PPT is not visible.
Oh, yeah, please wait. If we go to the share mode again, what is the problem?
Sir, no issue, sir. It is coming. Proceed, sir.
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Proceed.
Visible.
Okay. See, a lot of travel time is there. We all go with company buses, 1.5 hours. Average 3 hours or 2 hours. Take some book, read. But a reading book, I'll tell one small technique to you. Have a pencil with you. Without a sharp pencil, do not open a book unless it is some newspaper, Vigadan Junior, some magazine. If it is a professional magazine or professional book you want to read, please have a pencil. Key points, underline it and note it in the last page. What the author trying to say, what is that you have to do. If some book you are reading, he is talking about procrastination. Procrastination means postponing things. Thalli podudal. You have to note down what is that. Then you have to come home and list it out. What are the activities I am postponing last 1 year? Then the reading will help you. To-do list itself, you can revise it. You have a cell, I already told you are putting in the today date only, you are putting all these things. Go and revise it. Just to see what is given 2 days back, what are the pending. Try to transfer it. Yes, ma, see, reading a book requires a concentration, but this does not. Revise or realize a future plan, even visualize it. Hey, what is this? That guy has joined, a subordinate joined in a medical device. Within 1 year, he become omnipotent, believe or not. Very recently, he invited me for his engagement as wedding, both I gone. He was extremely happy. Now he is on a very big medical device company. He knows the subject in fingertip. He can share. There are some things which I am not exposed. I will just send him mine, he will try to throw it. That kind of involvement, nothing to do with age. See, probably last statement I told the negative also. There are positive things. If more time there, visualize it. Believe, first start believing the dream. People say, no, these are all the personality development trainer for their survival, they are selling. No, I written a book on dream realization, I told. You have a strong belief in dream. You penetrate the roots under the ground. That will go vibrate all over the world. That is what Vivekananda says, the power of vibration. Will go penetrating rocks and mountains, he says. Such a great sign. It is true. If you are a share investor, analyze the market. Pick a good fundamentals. If you are interested, just read. Today morning before coming, I read Economic Times and Business. Unfortunately, meeting is done. I could not get into your share market. Read book, e-book or hard copy. But distribute the time. Some 30-40% for professional reading. Maybe some 20-30% for personal reading. Maybe another 10-15% for your hobby or some time pass or whatever it is. There are a lot of things available. Do the necessary calls. Do not just to others, but keep relationship intact. Please do. See, maybe 20 years back, I know somebody yesterday calling and asking from he's a senior scientist H from LRD Bangalore, sir, Avis Corona and all. I left him in 1998. He was astonished to hear. There is a 74 years old man. He was a senior officer to me, Hyderabad. Last tsunami time, he is ringing and asking. Somehow he got my number. We are not in contact. I left in 1989 Hyderabad. That gentleman is asking, sir, Avis tsunami, if you can able to travel and come, please, your house is open. See the relationship. After all, I worked 8-9 years. He's not a very close friend. He was in my interview board, that's all. Maybe in the 9 years, the official performance, the interaction made him to think of me when I am in crisis and identify my number, get my number and give a call. Please see. These are not for boosting me, I am telling you. The relationships are strong. It will work. We have to spend time for relationship building also. Allot some time for physical and mindset. Do meditation or yoga or be calm for 5-10 minutes without anything. Don't make your house in another cinema theater. So when you enter a house full of volume, already you are coming from a high decibel factory to home. Let the home be little calm. I used to tell my wife, it is not a tea shop. I don't try to reduce my time at present. Then I deliberately I will come home late because it became an animal cinema theater. You should have some peace also sometimes. Okay. Okay. These are all I am not reading. You can just see by yourself. Even rest beyond the limit. Some people used to say, no. Anatomy itself, you see, God has given such a big backside for us. Because indirectly God is telling you rest. No. God has created a small brain, but much more powerful per Pentium. You have now no time to exercise. It is a one-day program and all I give. Identify additional time wasters. What I am trying to say, cautiously cut this. It does not say, no, today onwards I'm going to practice time. I will not share time with my family. Then very bad. Your relationship will be in bad. Procrastination. Give me a minute. I will see how many slides and what is the importance. Accordingly, I will handle. Procrastination. I think I should be able to do. No problem. What is procrastination? Already told. A teacher asked the child, what is mean by procrastination? The child answered, let me find out the meaning in the dictionary tomorrow. Probably child does not know the meaning. It can be accepted in child level, not in our age. It is self-induced. Sometimes. Sorry to bear, it is a Tamil song. People just to sleep. They spoiled themselves, their life as well as the country. That is what the meaning. It's a famous MGR song. We do procrastinate. Why reasons? Hopelessness. Life will hope. We don't get help. First, you help yourself. You become a self-help guy. Why you are waiting that somebody has to come and help you? Sorry for the interruption. Your door is getting open. Unpleasant activities. There are some activities you don't like to do, but the destiny made you to do. Make it pleasant. Overwhelming task. Nowadays, every goal is fixed like that only. We are trying to do 13 components at a time development. Where is the question of APTP, PAP timing plan and all? No fixed deadline. This is the biggest culprit guy. You don't give a guideline next to 3 or 5 years, I should finish my postgraduate. You say before death I should do. We also don't know when we are dying. How can I fix such a deadline target? Fear of failure. Let it fail. At the age of 54, I took AS 9100 lead auditor exam. 1.54 lakhs spending from my pocket. My wife asked me, Ma, if something goes, if you fail, I told her, how it will fail? Unless you prepare to fail. At any cost, I should fail in the exam. Like that, you should prepare. Then only it will fail. Self-put down or self-labeling. You yourself declare, I am useless guy. I am not competitive like him. Why you all do a negative recording to your subconscious? Subconscious is just a servant. It will listen to your talk. I want to rule the world, not to die. I am not going to the wait for the world. I am going to the pillar for the earth. Like that you talk all from positive statements you give it to you. Perfectionism. Don't look for perfection. It's a disease. Nothing is perfect. All the performances are compared to performance. There's nothing called 100% performance. Don't wait for a day that you can do something. Because that day may not come also. These are all the various reasons why we procrastinate things. Available time and productive time. I'm not going to mention to that. Invest high value activities. Either in commercial or in the brand image or something. Such activities you do. Plan your time for both for present and future. Because your present time spending is really going to decide your future. It's a big task when you take it, look like an elephant. Go on, do it in a segments. Small activities. You are going to Tiruvannamalai and revolve that mountain. Don't bother. Oh, such a big thing. How I take a revolution? There are lakhs of crores of people have done. Just to walk along with the population, you do it. These are all leave to you. This is already a sort. When you want to say no, don't say yes. Have time for family, fun, and hobbies. Rapport building. This I will skip it. Not that important. Okay, myths about time management. Give me another 5 minutes. We'll go fast. What is the myth? There's not too much to do. I can handle all. I can handle it. Second myth. There's a plenty of time. I can do it later. There is nothing called plenty of time. Time is a fixed resource. Where is the question of plenty of time? Still age is there. We can do it. Do not procrastinate. You do not know your destiny. There are younger people come in power. Not like earlier days. No, you should white hair, you should have BP sugar, then only you are MD. No, now 38 years, 37 years, people are MD and CEOs, even less than that. Myth 3, I am busier than usual right now, so it makes sense to shift some task to another time. I leave it to you. There are different myths. This is the exact opposite of myth. both might contribute to procrastinating, because you are for procrastination, you are finding out ways and means or reasons. That's all, nothing else. Go on, reschedule it. Then you eliminate from your schedule. Either it is not important, you are go on rescheduling, means either it is not important or urgent, or you don't have willingness to do, then remove from schedule. Okay. Time management is not a magic. It's a skill to be developed over a period of time. Practice or read or listen videos, audios. Once you see your own goals getting achieved as per your planned schedule, you will feel more enthusiastic and you yourself unknowingly become a time management guy. Eat an elephant. This already I explained you. Let me just see what is this song. Just let me see. Okay, I will translate down to you. See, it's a Madarasa Pattanam Pukal Pukum Taranam song. What they are telling, I don't bother about yesterday, I don't bother about tomorrow, I bother about present. Indri inda nodi podume, live for the present. Because of the involvement of the romance, that girl or boy is singing that song. Netru தேவையில்லை, இன்று தேவையில்லை, sorry, நாளை தேவையில்லை, இன்று இந்த நொடி போதுமே. Maybe another clipping in that. நேற்று வரை நேரம் போகவில்லையே, இன்று உனதருகில் நேரம் போகவில்லையே. Up to yesterday, I was not boring out to spend time. Today I am with you. I don't know how the time has passed. That is the translation. That is because of the romance, because of the involvement. That can be even applied to your profession. See, if we are involved, we don't know how the 45 minutes or 50 minutes has passed. You be involved whatever you are doing, whether official or personal or movie or family. Then you do not know how the time will pass it. It's a mere involvement. This 1 year's experience, life is only two aspects, I will say. The first one is involvement. Very, very important character attribute. The second one is just hard or smart working, whatever name you can set it up. Mere involvement will not help you, because involvement will do a lot of plans, lot of goals. That should be able to drive you to do it. For an example, I will tell, I have done a program on emotional intelligence. I happened to read a book, Idliya Herungal by Soma Valliyappan. There's nothing but emotional intelligence in Tamil. That book has made me to prepare. I prepared the slides maybe a couple of years, 2-3 years back. I tried to do a couple of 1 or 2 open programs. Recently, I delivered for 178 audience in the online. They have done the online rating. For information, 94% has given excellent and 3 has given very good and maybe remaining 3 has given good. What I'm trying to say, just don't put your dream. Put it in action. Unknowingly, it will become a banyan tree. You yourself is astonished to see your goal achievement. With these kind words, I thank the entire audience, the opportunity. Ultimately, they start with a goal. That goal will lead you. Right? I'll put that goal, try to bring it a task. Then the task will make an event. From the event, you bring it to activity. That activity will drive you to to-do list. So don't neglect the to-do list. It's a small factor, but that will only the pillar for your achieving your goal. I wish and I sincerely pray the Almighty, all of you, even the other people who attempt to participate could not able to join, have a prosperous life and a better time management and achieve all your dream realizations. Thank you. Have a very great day. Now the session is opened for question and answers for 10 minutes.